Hey, 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 Facebook fam. Hey, Sparklers. Julie Ball here, founder and chief sparkler at Sparkle Hustle Grow. I'm here doing the April 2020 unboxing video. I like to do these videos so I can kind of explain why I put the things that I put in there, make sure that everyone understands what they are, how to use them, how I use them. So without further ado, let's dive in. You'll always see the Yay, It's Here card at the very top, but don't throw this away because on the back is your packing list. So you go through this, learn about the different products, and see if you're missing anything, you can email us at support@sparklehustlegrow.com. Otherwise, you can dive right in. The next thing on the list, or the next thing in the box, excuse me, is your training card. So every single month, we include an online business training. It's kind of core to who we are, what we do, and what our mission is. This month's theme is focus on finances, which is so timely. Like right now, we need to focus on our finances, and we have got the gal for you. This is Jamie Troll. She is giving us this online training called How to Maximize Your Profit and Pay Yourself More, including exclusive tools and templates. And Jamie is a financial literacy coach and profit strategist. This is a $197 value. You get it for free as a sparkler. On the back, you'll find the link where how you can sign up. Now Jamie will be in our Facebook group for the next 30 days too, and I have been following her nonstop. She is amazing and selfless, and she's been providing so much free information for small businesses, specifically about the loans available, what's going on with them, how to apply for them, all this good stuff. She's amazing. You're gonna love her, and she's part of the group. So we are so excited about that. The next thing is you're going to see a coupon for C. Jane Work. C. Jane Work is one of our favorite brands. There is a C. Jane Work item in the box, so you get 25% off your order when you use the code on the card. And then lastly, there's all these little cards on top. Don't throw them away because they are purposeful and they have value. The next one is the Take Action Checklist. Every single month, we give you a list of 5 things so you know where to start, like what to do when you dive in after you experience all your goodies. Then it's time to get to work. The first one is always super easy. It's always listen to a podcast. It's going to be relevant to the theme that we are diving into. And this month's it's called How to Manage Your Money Amidst the Coronavirus Crisis. Guys, we are giving you so many great resources that we've sifted through the clutter, and we are delivering the best of the best to you. So then once you get through the checklist, we encourage you to flip it, and you're going to have this beautiful art print to hang on your bulletin board or in your office or whatever. So you will have all the products next to get into. Let me move the crinkle cut. Okay, so focus on finance is our topic. So all these things are going to have to do with money, finances, cash, and managing it. The first item is a smart wallet card holder. This is super cool. It's like a spandex material, so it's not bulky and in the way, but essentially you put this on the back of your cell phone and you can put your credit cards. There's 2 pockets to hold credit cards, business cards, gift cards, or cash, and it's super strong adhesive. You put it on the back of your phone and it's non-abrasive. You can still slide it in your back pocket if you have us on the back of your phone. And it's in a light pink color. Super pretty. I hope you love it. The next thing, man, I'm so excited about this. This is, I mentioned C. Jane Work earlier. This is the Crossbody Pouch by C. Jane Work. It's for putting, it's designed to hold your essentials. It's got this little zipper compartment. Actually, I have one open. Hold on one second. Here we go. So I've got this one open. So it's got a little strap here if you want to wear it as a crossbody, or you can take the strap off and it can be more like a clutch. Now there's this, I can't remember what I was reading in one book that says, how do you expect your money to be in order if you don't keep it in order? So this is going to help you keep everything in order, guys. So you can open it up and there's this space inside for your cell phone, maybe a pack of tissues, some lipstick, and your credit or your cards, if you want to put your cards in there. However, on the back, there is a zipper pocket too. So you can put your cards in there so that they're more secure. So anyhow, it's meant to travel light so that you're not carrying a big old purse all the time. And we love this. Hopefully you love it as well. The next thing in the box is a coin purse, and it is white and it says, "Kindness costs nothing." I love that quote. It's just a basic little zipper purse, again, to help you keep your finances in order instead of having coins thrown throughout the bottom of your purse or your work bag. You can put your coins in your new coin purse, and a beautiful reminder that kindness costs nothing. I love that quote. Okay, next in the box is a notepad. It's called a no spend tracker. So you can see that there's 30 days, and the idea here is to challenge yourself to not spend every single day. And that's just going to help you keep your finances tighter and keep an eye on like where you're spending. And so what you do is you cross off every single day that you don't spend. And then there's some spaces here for notes in case you need to make some notes of like a big expense or something like that. But the whole idea is to have as many days as possible that you don't spend any money. It's just going to help you keep your finances tighter. So there are plenty of pages in here. Basically you use one per month because it's for 30 days. So I would recommend that you like put a little magnet on this or put it on the fridge, and every day, you know, cross off that you don't spend, or you just keep it at your desk as a friendly reminder to not spend today. And then finally, another core value of our mission is personal development. And so that's why we include a book every single month. So this month the book is called End Financial Stress Now: Immediate Steps You Can Take to Improve Your Financial Outlook. And it's actually a pretty easy read considering it's about a topic that's kind of not sexy. But the parts of the book are part 1, redefining money; part 2, economic reasons why we struggle with money; part 3, psychological reasons why you struggle with money; and part 4 is achieving a stress-free financial life. It's a little over 200 pages, but you can certainly skip around. What I like about it too is, one, it's actionable and it gives you, you know, really good steps that you can take right now and make you think about how you're treating your finances. But 2, like, it's broken down into little sections, so it doesn't have to be like where you sit down and you end up reading an entire chapter. You could literally just read, you know, one little chapter, one part of the chapter, and then, you know, there's some areas in the book where you can do some answering questions. There's some prompts. There are all kinds of resources. So I really, really like this. The woman who wrote this, she's a finance writer, and she's contributed to Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, and she is also the best-selling author of The 5 Years Before You Retire and Choose Your Retirement. So this is one of a series of 3 books that really help you with your finances and retirement and all that good stuff. Now, the reason we chose this one is because this is the one that is most relevant to right now. Reading this right now can help you make different decisions, help you make choices right now. Whereas the other ones that have to do with retirement, I think they would be probably great books. But let's face it, with the economic state that we're in right now, we need to end financial stress now. So that's why we chose this book. In addition to all the goodies and the online training, our sparklers also get access to a vibrant community of female business owners that support each other, that connect with each other, and do business with each other. It's a wonderful place to be. I'm so excited. Every day we have such wonderful conversations in there. We also do a book study in there. So if you don't want to read it alone, we've got some accountability posts to help make sure that you get through the book and through the training. We always do a spoiler alert at the end of these videos, and it's so you can look forward to next month and be excited about it. So in May, we are focusing on leadership. And so your spoiler alert for the May box is this book. It's called Woman on Top: Lead Like a Lady Boss by Angela Hosking. She's a friend of mine. She's an amazing leader. This book is freaking fabulous. You're going to learn so much about leadership, about how you treat people, how you can be a leader even in scary economic times. And the cool thing is, she actually published this book last year. She's republishing a special version with an extra chapter in it as part of this feature. And it's all for the boss babe, the go-getter, the entrepreneur. So Your book is for May is Woman on Top, Lead Like a Lady Boss. It's fabulous. You're going to love it. If you're interested in subscribing and snagging the May box, head over to sparklehustlegrow.com. Right now, the May box is on sale. We would love to welcome you as a sparkler and in our community, and would love to spoil you with a box full of goodies. All right, everybody, stay healthy, stay safe, and we'll talk soon. Bye.